Hello viewer, in this video tutorial we will use the shapes for creation of a new design. So here I will make that shape with that design, and again going for the other one I will choose that one. Again for more I will pick up another. Here is the option for the more options. We will use it a radical. So here are the angles. I will make a diamond option, and the other one is I will use the layer style for that shape. So that's the style of the layer we have chosen for that shape we have created at the end. Thank you for watching.